Claus, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane.
Ho, ho, ho. This is Santa Claus here. They've asked me to come down here to Cattle Drive and talk to you about the holiday feast. We've got hams and turkeys and all the fixings available. If you don't need a feast, how about one of our whole hams or our whole turkeys? Give us a call. Our elves are waiting to hear from you. I've been checking my list, and I got a couple employees who've been naughty and nice this year. Dee?
Thank you so much for coming to Cattle Drive. Have a great day and happy holidays.
She's been good this year. Alec? He's been good this year. Lexi? You're on thin ice. Since most of you have been good this year, we decided to give away a few more turkeys to our Facebook followers. So please stay tuned to the details coming on Facebook. Santa knows it's hard to find good stocking stuffers. So here at Cattle Drive, we've taken care of that for you. We have gift certificates available upon request for you, your loved ones, your friends, or anyone you want to stuff the stockings with. So come on down and purchase one from us. Here at Cattle Drive, they've asked me to put together the world's largest stockings. So me and my elves have been working really hard putting together this for them. We stuffed the stockings with boys and girls toys that we're really excited for them to raffle off. We have tickets, 1 for $1 or 5 for $3. So feel free to come by and grab your ticket. We worked long and hard for this one. Ho, ho, ho. Well, that's all the time I have. I have to get back to the North Pole. Me and my elves have a lot of toys to make. I'm making a list. I'm checking it twice. So make sure y'all all being nice. And Jesse Conyers, I've got my eye on you. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Blitzen and all his reindeers blow.